If you've been posting monetized videos since before 2020, you may have noticed a significant drop in revenue. Providentially, I discovered that, while trying to make a small correction to a video's description before sharing it. I found that the error consisted in failing to answer a question on the upload format when posting the video, a video I posted on a date prior to the year 2020. Actually, it was not my mistake, but the format was modified. They added that question from that year on. Of course, since the question was not there at that time, there was no way to answer it. We better review each of the videos published prior to that year, just to make sure they don't contain that error. The procedure is simple. The first thing is to enter YouTube, click on the desired video, pause the video, and then click on Edit Video. Once inside the editing screen, scroll down until you find the ignored question. It will be marked in a red rectangle. You have to select the lower option, which starts with the word no, and then click on the Save button. At the bottom of the screen, a black rectangle will appear, showing the changes have been saved. Without leaving the editing screen, scroll to the top to search for another video. The search will be carried out only within your channel, so all you have to do is write the first few words of the title, and the matches will appear, and then you can select the desired video. Now, just scroll down, find the skipped question, check the bottom box, which starts with no, save the changes, and so on. We can go from one video to the next. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Tareen.